Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Karrar Hussain and you are watching Karrar Hussain YouTube channel. I'm back again with another great opportunity, and this opportunity it's in Amazon, and Amazon is hiring for work from home. मैंने कल आपसे पूछा था कि मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइए कि आप किस लोकेशन के हो और आप कौन सी कंपनी में काम करना चाहते हो। तो मुझे ज़्यादा कमेंट्स आए थे हैदराबाद लोकेशन की और कंपनी थी अमेज़ॉन। और कैंडिडेट्स कह रहे थे टू अपडेट 10+2 अंडर ग्रेजुएट के लिए, इंटरमीडिएट के लिए अगर कोई अमेज़ॉन में जॉब हो तो बताने के लिए कह रहे थे। तो ये जॉब के लिए अंडर ग्रेजुएट अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, इंटरमीडिएट अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। अगर आप 10+2 हो तो आप इस जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। वीडियो पूरा ज़रूर देखिए। साइड्स में मैं स्लाइड्स डाल रहा हूँ जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन के, ताकि आप बेटर तरीके से समझें। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो अमेज़ॉन इज़ हायरिंग फॉर कस्टमर सर्विस एसोसिएट, any undergraduate, graduate, postgraduate, fresher, experience can apply, and location is Hyderabad. Now coming to the job description, an Amazon customer service associate is a critical part of our mission to deliver timely, accurate and professional customer service to all Amazon customer. The vital position requires an action-oriented, flexible problem solver who will assist customer in expediting orders and correcting post-sales problems. Associate communicate with customer primarily through mail, chat and phone, and utilize a variety of software tools to navigate customers' account, research and review policies, and communicate effective solutions in a fun and fast-paced environment. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब, क्योंकि 70% कैंडिडेट्स अभी भी ऐसे हैं जो मेरा चैनल को रोज़ देखते हैं बट आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है। तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एंड डू लाइक दिस वीडियो सो दैट इट रीचेस द मैक्सिमम कैंडिडेट्स लुकिंग फॉर द जॉब. Communication skills required, knowledge and skills required. Excellent communication skills, written and verbal. Ability to communicate correctly and clearly with all customers. Excellent documentation skills required. Good comprehension skills, ability to clearly understand and state the issues customers present. Ability to concentrate, follow customers issue without distraction to resolution. Good composition skills, ability to compose a grammatically correct, concise and accurate written response. Work successfully in a team environment as well as independently. Computer knowledge or skills required. Ability to use a desktop computer system, familiarity with Windows XP, Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Word and Internet Explorer. Excellent typing skill required. Demonstrate understanding of the internet, Amazon.com website and competitor websites. Demonstrate an ability to successfully navigate websites. Demonstrate a proficient knowledge of email applications. Demonstrate an ability to learn in various media. Ability to successfully adapt to changes in the work environment. Customer focus. Excellent customer service skills required, including maintaining focus on the customer issue in a fast-paced environment. Ability to emphasize with and prioritize customer needs. Demonstrate impersonal skills with a diverse customer base. Demonstrate conflict resolution, negotiation and de-escalation skills. Demonstrate ownership to resolve challenging customer issues, escalating when necessary. Ability to determine customer needs and provide appropriate solution. Maintain regular and reliable attendance, including the daily schedule as assigned. Flexible with the working schedule, may be expected to work weekends, holidays and events. Ability to work overtime as required by business, as much as 60 hours a week, most often occurring in the week surrounding the Christmas holiday session. Problem solving skills required. Effective problem solving skills, including decision making, time management and immediate prioritization of tasks as assigned. Ability to approach problem logically and rationally. Action oriented and self disciplined, organized and detail oriented. Ability to quickly and effectively prioritize work time in various departments to meet business need. Ability to maintain composure in highly escalated situations. Qualified candidates will be comfortable in a multitasking, high energy environment. They will be creative and analytical problem solver with a passion for excellent customer service. Qualification required, minimum 10+2 or above. Any graduate, postgraduate is also eligible. Interested candidate लिंक इज़ गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, प्लीज़ गो एंड अप्लाई। कोई भी अंडर ग्रेजुएट 10+2 अप्लाई कर सकता है। एंड प्लीज़ डू शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड, बहुत ज़्यादा ओपनिंग्स है और ये वर्क फ्रॉम होम है। एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन माई टेलीग्राम चैनल। कंपेयर टू यूट्यूब, आई शेयर मोर जॉब्स ऑन टेलीग्राम। थैंक यू, बेस्ट ऑफ लक।